How to change Kakao Talk account password. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Kakao Talk account password if you've forgotten it or just want to update it for security reasons. This guide will make it super easy. First things first, open the Kakao Talk app on your phone. Now you'll be taken to your login screen. Here, what you need to do is find Kakao account or password. Simply tap on it. Now simply tap on I forgot my password when need help with your Kakao account login option appears. Here you need to enter your email address or phone number. After you've done that, simply click on next. After you've done that, you need to verify by simply entering the code that they have sent to your phone or email address. Once you've verified it, and you'll be able to enter your new password. You'll need to enter your password twice. Simply make sure your new password is strong and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering the new password, confirm it by typing it again in the next field. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Kakao Talk account password.